Hey, Milani, how old are you?
2.
Oh, you're 2?
Yeah.
And do you like vegan strawberry mint chocolate chip ice cream?
Yeah.
This is about, it's vegan, it's strawberry, banana, chocolate chip, or just chocolate mint ice cream. And let me just tell you, it's fantastic, okay? My kids love this ice cream. Now, one thing I wanted to also point out about this ice cream, or this recipe, if you remove the chocolate out of this recipe, I believe that's the only thing. I don't have it in front of me. Way to be prepared. If you remove the chocolate out of this recipe, then it is a 100% plant-based, whole food plant-based dessert option. What we're looking at here, we got maple syrup, we got some frozen bananas, we've got some frozen strawberries. I'm actually going to be using some chopped dates, which are being soaked in hot water right now, and that'll give it a little more sweetness, but it also maintains some of the texture or makes it a little bit thicker. I use the mint leaves. I actually chop that up and I will put it in the blender whenever I'm blending the mixture here. We've also got a little bit of sea salt. I have 2 types of chocolate chips here. These are dairy-free. Everything here is vegan and or plant-based. I mixed a little bit of the mini chips in there too. Okie dokie. So let's get to rockin' and rollin'. We're gonna put about 4 medium bananas and about 2.5 cups of strawberries. I've got a little bit more than that in there. And I've been soaking these dates, chopped dates. You can use pitted dates, whatever you want. Not even a full tablespoon of the water from the dates here, and I'm gonna do it in this measuring cup so you can see how many I put in here. So we got 1 tablespoon because it will make it harder for your ice cream. That. So there's 2 tablespoons maple syrup. Okay, we're gonna go with a little sea salt. Beep, 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 beep. I'm just pulsing. You don't want this to sit out very long, and I'm taking too long, as you can probably see. Well, man, that is freaking delicious. Woo! All right, so give it a little tasty poo-poo. That's actually really good. You can see the consistency right now. I mean, that's a really good whip. That's pretty perfect. All right, it's time. Let's do it. Boop. What am I gonna do? I could just eat some more. Oh yeah, they're so yummy. Yum, scribbly lumptious. Oh, that was a joke, by the way. I'm way stronger than that. Look at these forearms. Oh, the tip I was gonna give you. Don't play leapfrog with a unicorn. Boop! Burned. Okay, if you have one of these and you're brand new to using it, never ever lick this blade. Holy shit, that thing is sharp. So if you're gonna do this, do it that way. But it'll cut your finger too. See, I want to lick all that because it is so flippin' good. We're gonna bring in the big guns. Boom. First, we're gonna make some music. Pasta fragiole. Oh, wrong recipe. Who wants a freaking ice cream? You like a pepper? Okay, so this is it. I mean, you're looking at it. Oh, look how that pours into there. Beautiful. Like a Ted Drew type of ice cream. Like a... What's the other one? Like a Munchie type of ice cream. Munchies. Munchie. In all seriousness, this is a relatively healthy snack. I mean, you know, there's definitely natural sugar in here, okay? Everything is natural. I am gonna make myself a cup of this, and then it's just gonna get stored in the freezer. Man, this stuff is good.